Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is start assigning zip codes to a territory. So in this example, somebody's given me a list of 3 zip codes that I want to assign to a new territory. And those zip codes are 44116, Rocky River, Ohio. There it is, 44116. Now if I click on that zip code, you see I get a row of buttons here that allows me to edit the information. So I'm going to edit the attributes and scroll down. The territory name is going to be Rocky River and the status is available. I'm going to save that. Now because I've named my first territory, I'm going to go and update my legend to display the territories. I'm going to switch to a category style. I'm going to choose territory name. I'm going to change the color palette. I'm going to make the opacity 40%, and for the outline I'm going to make it 30%. If I go to my custom legend here, you'll see I've got a color for the Rocky River territory and I've got a color for everything else. I'm just going to set that to white. Okay, so you can see we've got the Rocky River territory in green there. I'm going to copy that text because I'm going to use it again. So the next zip code I want to assign is 44107. It's right next door. Again, click the zip code, edit the attributes, set the name to Rocky River and the status to available. Save. And the final one is 44145. Okay, there are my 3 zip codes forming my new territory. Now if I add a new territory, let's say I'm going to add a new one for Cleveland here. At first, the zip code will disappear because it's not in my legend, so I just need to refresh my legend. So I go back to the Style tab, go to Custom Legend, and I click Restore Class Breaks to Default. So that's going to rebuild the legend with that new territory. Set that back to white and save. And there I have my 2 territories. Now the next thing we might want to know is what's the total population and the demographics across this entire territory, across these 3 zip codes. Now you can see I've got a query tool activated here. So if I click that, I can choose a territory name, for example Rocky River. I can go get results. It's going to select all the zip codes in the Rocky River territory. I can view that as a table, so I can see the individual zip code data. I can also download that to a spreadsheet, or I can generate my report, which is going to give me the totals across those 3 zip codes. So there we have it. There's 103,000 people across those 3 zip codes, around 47,000 households, a median income of 66,000, median age of 42, and an unemployment rate of 43.